my God. It's working. Woo! Cascading waterfalls. All the rocks are happy and growing grass. Man, this just made my year. Some nice vegetation coming in here.
Yeah, we don't even get to walk through structures in action.
Look at that thing go. Woo. Double Zuni.
I'll show you the picture. This is
We'll show them one of these pictures before we go, maybe. Yeah. Yay. Things are green. Rocks are in place. And we have a waterfall in the desert. I'm very excited. Get a closer look at this action. Woo! Over the waterfall and down the stream we go. Yay. That's a happy boy. Oh my God. Pouring over nicely here. Oh yes. This, my friends, is what it's all about. Hee hee.